Hey there, folks. Welcome back to my channel, where we demystify the world of finance and make it as approachable as your favorite cup of coffee. I'm Irene, your go-to retirement advocate, and today we're tackling a topic that might sound like alphabet soup to some, but is a game changer for your financial future: RRSPs. Now, if you're scratching your head thinking, what on earth is an RRSP? Don't worry, you're not alone. RRSP stands for Registered Retirement Savings Plan, and it's like the superhero cape for your money. Why? Let me break it down for you. What is an RRSP? An RRSP is your personal savings plan, but with a fancy government-approved twist. You contribute money to it regularly, and here's the kicker. Those contributions are tax deductible. Yep, you heard it right. Every dollar you put in is a dollar off your taxable income. It's like getting a discount on your taxes. And who doesn't love a good discount? Now, the power of tax-deferred growth. Let's talk about the magic that happens inside your RRSP. Once your money is in there, it's not just sitting idly, it's working for you, growing tax-deferred until you decide to pull it out in your golden years. And the longer your money dances in this tax-deferred wonderland, the more it multiplies. It's like planting seeds that turn into a financial garden over time. Contributions and limits. But then there's always a but. There are limits to this magical garden. The government sets a maximum amount you can contribute each year. For 2023, it's 18% of your previous year's income, up to a certain limit. So you can't toss your entire paycheck in there. You can definitely make a significant dent, unlocking the RRSP vault. Now here's the part where some folks get tripped up. You can't keep your money in the RRSP forever. The government wants its share eventually. So when you hit a certain age, currently 71, you start making withdrawals. But hey, you've had years of tax-deferred growth. So it's a bit of a give and take relationship. So there you have it, RRSPs in a nutshell. It's like a financial time machine, allowing you to invest in your future while enjoying some tax perks along the way. Now, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other financial topics you want to tackle together. Until next time, I'm Irene, your guide to financial savvy. Stay curious, stay informed, and let's navigate this financial journey together. Cheers.